Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing and explaining the differences between the personal plan and the commercial plan in Epidemic Sound. This video is going to be for those that want to get Epidemic Sound but just don't know what plan to choose. So the personal plan and commercial plan actually only have two real differences. The first difference is that on the commercial plan you can use Epidemic's music on 3 channels per platform compared to just 1 per platform on the personal plan. So if we actually look inside the settings of the personal plan, you can see you can only have Epidemic Sound linked to 1 YouTube channel, 1 TikTok account, 1 Facebook, 1 Twitch, etc. And now here on the commercial plan, I could link it to 3 separate channels per platform. The second biggest difference and advantage of the commercial plan is that you're also able to safe list content that you've worked on other people's channels. So for example, if you're like a freelance video editor and you use Epidemic Sound in one of your clients' videos, you're able to safe list that individual video for them so they won't get a copyright claim. So coming back to the Epidemic Sound settings, if you select safe list and then scroll down to the bottom here, you're going to see this section called safe list videos for others. And if you have the commercial plan, you're able to link videos here. The last really important thing that I want to mention here is that no matter what plan you get, if you decide to cancel Epidemic Sound, any video that you publish after your subscription has ended will not be safe listed. All the videos you uploaded during the Epidemic Sound subscription will stay cleared, but you need to reactivate your subscription if you want to use it again. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to mention. If this video ended up helping you make a decision, all I asked is to consider signing up to Epidemic Sound using my affiliate link in the description, as it really helps support the channel. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments and have a good rest of your day.